Yo, where the f is J-Lo?
Y'all seen J-Lo? Where is
What's Gucci YouTube? It's your boy J-Lo here again, back with another video. And today we are working on the LS. It's right here behind me, you know what I'm saying? This is a different kind of video because we're in the garage today, but this is the start of the show. I'm gonna go ahead and disconnect the entire wiring harness. I'm also gonna remove the accessory drive and just inspect the engine overall. I may even pop the valve covers off just to see what the lifters and such look like. I don't plan on going too far into it. The game plan with this is to really prepare it to get in the car and throw it in. I'm not doing any performance mods yet. I'm gonna do it in phases. I don't think I explained this to y'all, so I'm gonna do it in phases. I know that this transmission, this is the 4L60E, it has a bad rep to it, so that'll probably go, and I'm already expecting that to go. We still do have the leftover 700 R4 that can make to the LS1, so if that goes, we have a rebuilt transmission to go with it already. And then as far as the engine, I think that I may buy another 5.3 and build it, and then just go ahead and put the 5.3 that's behind the camera right now in the car. That way that we can take our time and kind of do everything properly instead of rushing it and being under a time crunch. So this is what we're doing today. I'm gonna try to get this set up in a better position and get to snatching wires off this bad. I love y'all, appreciate y'all for rocking with me, and let's get to it. When I tell y'all I just caught hell trying to get this bad boy sitting the way that I had it sitting, the engine tipped over, so I had to maneuver it to make it stand straight back up. Now that we got it standing straight up, we cannot get this fan off. You need an adjustable wrench to do so. Have one. I don't know what I did with it, so I'm about to make a quick pick stop to Harbor Freight, go grab one of them bad boys, and then come back and bust that bad boy off. Alright, so we back from Harbor Freight, got an adjustable wrench. Also met a cool dude while I was there. He had a right-hand drive GTR. It was a cool, interesting meetup. But yeah, we are back to this engine on. Let me make sure y'all can see it. Alright, so this is a common issue with getting the fan off. You have to take the belt off, which I didn't. I thought I could get away with the tension of the belt on the pulley, but that didn't work. So
and you get to a certain part where you don't know what to do. There's a way to hold this water bottle fully still.
took a lot longer than I would like to admit, but we did get the fan off. We just popped the serpentine belt off as well, and now we're going to get to taking pieces off. I know for sure the AC compressor has to go. They said it will not fit in the regular application, so we're going to take that off and maybe a little more. I may tear a little deeper down into the motor, but for right now that's what we're going to start with. It's just the AC compressor. Alright, so I went ahead and took the motor mounts off of the engine. These were the old ones that came off of got these off of eBay. I think these are stainless steel, 2 bushings on each side, seats on the motor like that. We're about to throw these bad boys on the motor, and then we also have to change the tail shaft adapter. So we're about to do that real fast. Went ahead and cleaned the bottom of the motor here. We're about to throw these motor mounts in. Oh shit, that hurt. As y'all can see, man, I'm beat. We got the motor mounts on though, and they actually look good. Next, we got to take that tail shaft adapter off and put the one from the 700 R4 on there, and I'll get back to y'all.